One sec. All right, so that was me revving it up. So, not sure how it sounded for you guys. I know I've watched a lot of videos that show exhaust on YouTube, and it doesn't always quite sound the same way as in person. But I would say that it has a nice rumble. When you're inside the car with the windows closed and everything, it's not very loud. You can do your calls, listen to music, all that good stuff without any issues at all. And you know, honestly, I wish it was a little bit louder and more of a rumble, but I think it still sounds really good. But it is pretty quiet inside, so either that's a good thing and bad thing depending on what you're looking for.